doesn't arrive like an ordinary motorcycle, and it never behaves like one either. The moment it comes into view, you immediately realize this machine was never built just for transportation. It was built for presence. The Honda Fury is not trying to blend into the modern street bike world, and it never pretends to. Instead, it stands apart with complete confidence, almost as if it rolled straight out of a custom-built workshop where every detail was shaped with intention, patience, and attitude. This is not just a motorcycle. It is a rolling statement carved in steel. From the very first glance, its silhouette tells you everything you need to know. The stretched frame, the extremely long wheelbase, and the aggressively raked front end combine into a shape that looks almost unreal for a factory machine. Most motorcycles are designed around balance, efficiency, and practicality. The Fury ignores all of that and focuses on emotion, presence, and identity. It is low, it is long, and it is unapologetically bold. It does not ask for attention, it takes it. Walking closer, your eyes are immediately drawn to the fuel tank. It is not just a tank. It is a sculpted teardrop of metal that flows seamlessly into the frame as if it were carved from a single piece. The surface is smooth, deep, and mirror-like, reflecting light in a way that makes the bike feel alive even when it is completely still. Every angle reveals a different character, a different mood, a different expression of design. Beneath it sits the heart of the machine, a 1,312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This engine is not built to scream. It is built to speak in a deep, controlled voice. It doesn't feel mechanical in the traditional sense. It feels alive, like a steady pulse under steel. When you look at it, you don't just see engineering, you see personality. Turn the ignition and the entire machine wakes up with a heavy, rhythmic thump. It is not chaotic or aggressive in a wild sense. It is controlled power. The sound rolls through the frame, into the ground, and straight into your chest. It is the kind of exhaust note that doesn't need to be loud to be noticed. People turn their heads before they even realize what they are hearing. The riding position continues this story of control and connection. The seat is extremely low, placing the rider close to the road, almost fused with the machine. The legs stretch forward naturally, the arms extend without strain, and the handlebars fall perfectly into place. There is no discomfort, no awkward angle, no forced posture. It feels like the motorcycle is wrapping itself around the rider, creating a unified experience rather than a separate machine and rider relationship. Once the bike starts moving, its long wheelbase reveals its true personality. The steering is calm, deliberate, and extremely stable. This is not a machine that rushes into corners. It glides into them with confidence and weight. At low speeds, it feels grounded and controlled. At higher speeds, it becomes a steady cruising platform that feels locked onto the road. The rear section completes the visual identity. A wide 200 series rear tire gives it a muscular, planted stance that looks more custom-built than factory-produced. It gives the bike a strong visual foundation, making it appear powerful even when standing still. The shaft drive system adds to this clean design philosophy, removing unnecessary clutter and keeping the mechanical layout smooth, minimal, and visually refined. As you ride deeper into the experience, the Fury reveals its true purpose. This is not a machine built for speed records or aggressive racing behavior. It is built for presence, comfort, and long-distance cruising with unmatched style. The 5-speed transmission delivers smooth, predictable shifts, each gear change blending into the next without breaking the rhythm of the ride. Power delivery is steady, consistent, and reassuring, allowing the rider to relax and simply enjoy the road. On open highways, the Fury becomes something else entirely. The long rake and stretched geometry create a sense of stability that makes distance feel effortless. Wind flows around the rider instead of fighting them, and the motorcycle holds its line with calm authority. Hours on the road feel shorter, not because the bike is fast, but because it is stable, balanced, and emotionally engaging in a different way. But the true magic of the Honda Fury is not just how it rides, it is how it makes you feel. Wherever it goes, it changes the atmosphere around it. It doesn't blend into parking lots or roadside stops. It becomes the center of attention without trying. People don't just see a motorcycle. They see a statement, a design philosophy, a machine that refuses to follow trends and instead creates its own identity. Every detail reinforces this philosophy. The chrome accents catch light with subtle aggression. The clean lines of the frame keep the design minimal yet powerful. The exposed mechanical elements remind you that beneath the polished surface lies a raw, mechanical beast built with precision and durability in mind. Nothing here is accidental. Everything exists for a reason. Even the braking system is designed with control in mind. Despite its stretched and dramatic appearance, the Fury remains predictable and confident when slowing down. It carries Honda's engineering discipline underneath its custom-inspired design, ensuring that style never compromises safety or reliability. The Honda Fury is not for everyone, and it never tries to be. It is for riders who understand that motorcycles are not just machines. They are expressions of personality. It is for those who value presence as much as performance and design as much as engineering. It is for those who want to stand apart in a world full of similarity. At Revive and Ride Garage, we don't see the Honda Fury as just another cruiser. We see it as a statement of rebellion against ordinary design. A machine that proves that even in a modern world of efficiency and technology, there is still room for raw character, stretched silhouettes, and motorcycles that make people stop and stare. Because the Honda Fury doesn't just ride the road, it owns it.